Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Yoli for those who are new here, and today I am installing miracle knots with Burmese curly crochet hair. So if you guys would like to see how I did that, stay tuned. So today's hair is from ISEE Hair, and I received 4 packs of their Burmese curly in 20 inches, and this is how the hair looks straight out of the pack. So of course I went in and decided to wash the hair. I do wash my hair about twice, condition it twice, and let it air dry. As you can see during the wash, the hair is very beautiful. It was also really soft. So first impressions were pretty good. Now here is me and Lola, which is my baby. And I have about 60 braids in my head, and this is how the hair looks after it's washed and dried, and this is how my hair looks with one of those packs in my head. So I'm going to show you guys this method. So in my previous videos with miracle knots, I've tried 2 other methods of applying the hair. So basically this is me combining both methods. The first method, I braided it in, and then the second method, I just crocheted it in without braiding it down. But this time I'm crocheting it and then braiding it down, hoping that this allows it to stay in my hair, you know, without slipping out. I don't know if you guys tried this style yet, but I've been experiencing slippage with the methods I've used in the past. So I'm hoping the combination of both will keep them in there. I would say the method of me just crocheting in was also pretty successful. I didn't lose as many pieces as I did when I braided it in. So as you can see, I am crocheting and braiding down. So for my calculations, there were 36 crochet pieces in each pack, in each bundle. So what I did for the first 18 braids, I applied 2 crochet pieces each, so that was the first pack. And the remaining braids, I had to do a combination of 3 to 2 pieces per braid. But basically, essentially, I used every piece of hair that I received. I think that's 144 pieces with 60 braids. So I just made it work. I applied more pieces at the top, of course, and because you can't see the back, I applied the 2 pieces there. So this is 2 packs of hair in my head, and I stopped and went to bed, and this is how I had it when I went to bed. I put it into 2 twists, and that I feel like is a good way to protect the curls and just the hair in general. And I just finished applying the last 2 packs into my head. This is 3 packs here, and I go in applying the last pack of hair. So this is me once I finished, and it's pretty full, as you can see. And so what I did is I just went with a spray bottle that only had water, and I just applied water to the curls. Like, there's nothing else that I had in this hair except for water. And when it air dried, it was so beautiful, guys. Like, I love me a good Burmese curly. This one might be my favorite Burmese curly that I've experienced. So this is how it looked air dry. Mind you, no products. And it still is really soft. And this is me just showing you guys with a flip over method and how I styled it to go out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, bye.